Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a Steam QR code to log in. So this is helpful because it lets you sign in faster without typing your username and password every time, as long as you already have a Steam Guard set up on your phone. First, open up the Steam on your computer or go to the Steam login page. And once you are on the sign in screen, you should see a QR code beside the normal login option. Leave that screen open. And next, grab your phone and open the Steam app. Make sure you are already signed into the same Steam account on the mobile app. And from the bottom menu, tap the Steam Guard icon, and after that, choose the option to scan a QR code. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code showing on your computer screen. Once the app reads the code, it will ask you to confirm the login. Check that the login request looks correct, then approve it. After you approve the request, Steam should automatically log you in on your computer. If the QR code does not scan, try refreshing the login page or make sure that your phone camera can clearly see the full code. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.